In the previous video, you saw that we took the cabinet doors down and we started to clean the faces of the boxes of the cabinets. And here we're starting to clean using cutter the cabinet doors inside and out. A little scrubbing with some pads and brushes. And again, using cutter, which is really cutting this grease and grime off real easily. Just time consuming, but it's not hard work. Just casual, do it and get through it with it. Eventually, all of this is in preparation for painting. The painting we're going to use is Beyond Paint, all-in-one. We've seen it advertised on other videos and on television, and we just want to see how it works. But I think just kind of give you a heads up, after using it and making this recording, I'm pretty satisfied with the results from this stuff. For the dark color, we're using a navy blue for the bottom. It's taking 2 coats, and we're trying to decide whether we want to put a clear coat, a protective coat on the outside of it. The manufacturer doesn't recommend it, but these are old cabinets, and if I screw up, I just have to paint it over again or do something else. So I'm not really that worried about damage. So I may try this General Finishes, which is stuff I really like. General Finishes clear coat as a top coat to protect this finish, just to prevent it from any future scratching. The manufacturer do say that it takes about 30 days for this to really cure and get really hard. So let's keep going and see what we have here. videos in this series